Hi guys, this is for the love messages for the most people out there na nangangailangan ng gabay ng ating universe at mga baraha pagdating sa kanilang mga usapin na pag-ibig. Tignan na natin kung anong meron ngayon sa inyong mga buhay-buhay pag-ibig. Okay, pinapaalala ko lang po guys, take what resonate at kung hindi man po sila makaresonate, please leave this reading behind. Okay po? Proceed na tayo guys, and then be open-minded po. This may takes a positive and negative energy. Okay? Start na tayo guys. Please, let me see what's up right now with the love situation of the most people out there na nangangailangan ng ating gabay galing sa ating universe at mga mahiwagang gabay na baraha. Tingnan na natin kung anong meron sa ating love current situation right now para sa mga taong nangangailangan ng mga gabay galing sa ating universe at sa ating mga mahiwagang baraha. At sa tulong na rin ng ating mga good spirit guide, please give these people a guidance to know how to overcome and understand the situation right now of their love situation that they are going through right now. Nine of Swords, guys. You're having a panic attack. Hindi makatulog sa gabi, kakaisip sa person mo. Okay? You're trying to overcome. You're trying to pray. But the tears is still there. Okay? Page of Swords. This is all about the truth of being sadness. Okay? Dito mo nare-realize kung gaano kahirap dito mo na-realize yung buong katotohanan kung gaano kahirap na harapin yung sitwasyon ngayon sa daloy ng sitwasyon ng pag-ibig sa buhay mo. Okay? Nandito rin yung pabigla-bigla ka rin ng pagdedesisyon. Ten of Swords. Yeah. You're really having a painful event right now. You see? Ten of Wands, Ten of Swords. This is a Ten of Wands. You're having this love current situation right now. Nagiging mabigat na siya para sa'yo. Okay? Marami na kayong pinagdaanan. Marami nang nangyari. So, nakikita ko dito parang kinailangan mong mag-walk away na lang. Kasi para siya nag-alsa balutan na. Kumbaga, sobra-sobra na yung bigat na dinulot mo. Diba? Although gusto mo lang naman maging masaya. Diba? Yun lang yung punot dulo ng relasyon na gusto mo lang maging masaya. Lahat po tayo gusto maging masaya, guys. Okay? Lahat po tayo. Eight of Pentacles. Kaya mo patuloy na pinag-aaralan yung sitwasyon ngayon. Ina-analyze mo kasi kung saan ba ako nagkamali, ano ba ang kulang, ganyan. Tinatanong mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Pinag-aaralan mo din, ano ba talaga pa yung mali sa akin? Ano bang dapat kong ayusin sa akin? The Moon. Andito kasi yung natatakot ka, fear. Natatakot kang mawala siya. Okay? Andito yung the moon, drowning. Drowning, kumbaga nalulunod ka na sa sobrang emosyon gabi-gabi. Na you're trying to balance with the moon. Okay? You're trying to know kung ano pa yung nakatago mo na way kung paano pa maire-resolve yung relasyon na 'to. Okay, kasi, Four of Pentacles, pinangangalagaan mo kasi kung ano yung meron ka ngayon at pagmamay-ari mo. Iniingatan mo na hindi masira yung mga binild up mo, lalong-lalo na sa relasyon na 'to. Kaya ka natatakot with the moon na mawala siya sa'yo, okay? Although, alam mo na masakit na, nahihirapan ka na. Ha? Tingnan natin. I have here the wheel, the bottom of the deck. The wheel. There will be a change anytime soon. Meron ng pagbabago. Just keep on praying and let it flow. Go with the flow. Okay? Wag kang sumalungat sa agos ng ilog. Okay? Wag kang sumalungat. Sumabay ka lang sa agos, guys, para hindi ka sobra ka na kasing nahihirapan. Okay? Mabigat na. Andito yung naiiyak ka gabi-gabi. Sobra na, gabi-gabi na. Okay? You just want to be happy. Ito yung pinpoint dito. And then some of you guys are having nightmares, ganyan. Lagi mo silang napapanaginipan. Let's see the guide from our Heart's Hidden Secrets. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung ibibigay at ibibitaw ng ating mga oracle cards for your guide. Guys, sana nakakatulong po yung aking mga pagbabasa ng baraha para sa inyong mga love current situation po. Okay, take what resonate, guys. If it's not resonate, leave this reading behind, okay? Tingnan natin. Please give me messages for the love current situation right now for the most people out there na nangangailangan ng gabay ng ating universe at mga mahiwagang baraha. Okay. I have here from the bottom of the deck is the heart fog, mixed signal, black emotions, mess up. Okay. I am seeing here, guys, na some of you is may blocking na nangyayari. Pwedeng na-i-block sa messenger, ganyan, sa ibang social media account. Sa cellphone, na-i-block yung number. And then, I also confirm here that you are having a twin flame. Okay? A soulmate. Confirm, guys. You are the divine feminine or you may be the divine masculine. You are both divine with your person. Okay? Divine. Kaya deep. Tignan nyo to. Kaya deep. Kaya ka natatakot mawala siya. Kasi deep na deep yung connection. Napakalalim. Okay? Kaya may takot. At eto ring connection na to. Eto ang connection na to. Ang dahilan kaya may conflicted sa inyong dalawa. Kaya merong decisions, may treatment na hot and cold, may mga biglaang pagdedesisyon, okay, may multiple choices. Okay? Kasi you're in the process of getting to know your connection. You are the divine feminine and you are the divine masculine. So, you are the twin flame and the soulmate. Diba? May trial, may conflicted, may trial talaga. Okay, kasi andito na yung proseso ni universe kung saan niya makikita yung tatag. Yung tatag mo at tatag ng person mo. Okay? Kasi In the law of the universe, if it's really meant for you, it will always come back, guys. Okay? Kusa itong babalik sa'yo, hindi mo kailangan ng ah, anumang, anong tawag dito? Hindi mo kailangan ng anumang spell or ritual. Kusa itong babalik sa'yo if it's really meant for you. Okay? Then let's see what's the other oracle love messages that has been really meant for you to know. Okay? Tignan na natin. Wait lang. Tignan ko dito sa aking ano. Okay, dala ko siya. Yeah. I have my love oracle. Wait lang, guys. Okay. Tingnan na natin kung ano yung gustong. Okay. I-ano muna natin to, guys. Yan. Kung ano yung gustong ipahiwatig sa atin ng ating universe at ibigay na guidance para sa'yo. Let's see. Okay. Let me choose, guys. Okay. Nakapili na ako, tapos tignan natin kung ano yung mensahe ni universe para sa'yo. Okay. Guys, I have here the playfulness. This card is telling you laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together and remember, love is the greatest healer. Okay? Meaning, kung hindi man kayo okay ngayon, there's a possibility talaga na magkaayos kayo. Kasi you are the divine feminine and the divine masculine. Okay? Pili pa tayo ulit. Kasi medyo hindi pa ako satisfied dito sa isang napili ko. Okay. Nakapili na ako. Let's see. Healing. Kailangan talagang mag-heal, guys. Okay. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Meaning, after mong mabasa to, etong reading ko na to, after mong mapakinggan, your relationship will be automatically healed. Kasi binigyan na tayo ni universe ng gabay. Okay, granted niya na to, itong healing na to. It will be most likely happen right now. Okay? Basta't mapanood mo to, itong reading na to. Just give it all to universe. Let it takes its place for you. Okay? Kumbaga, hayaan mo siya yung magmaniobra nito para sa'yo. Kasi this is a divine connection. When we say divine, this is guided by the universe. Okay? This is really meant to happen for the both of you. And then this is my third card. Yeah. Alam mo yung lagi ko nabubunot, laging may mga twin, no? Gemini. You may be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. And then, what else? Yeah, air sign. You may be dealing also with the fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay? Let's see. Wow, sabi ko na nga ba, guys. Confirm. You see? Kita nyo, guys? Kita nyo? Sacred union. Guys, you are really guided by the universe, okay? Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. You are guided by the sacred spirit and the universe. Kaya, ganyan yung connection nyo, guys. Okay? Nakikita nyo po ba? Ayan. Diba? So, just let the universe take its place for you. Ibigay mo to lahat sa Kanya. Huwag kang matakot. Magtiwala ka ng buong-buo kay universe. Okay? Yun lang guys. And if you want a personal reading for you, you can direct message me here in my Facebook account. Okay, you can ask my admin team na about the personal reading for the pricing. Yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys. Okay? And then, yun lang po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.